This is Buadu TV, truth and integrity.
Mamunyina kwaba Buadu TV so eni ye best of say of first time I will share channel na wa subscribe ye nyina ye like na ye comment into comment section be na ya share video no dia call social media platforms so get us na de tinie Naana Jane Opoku Prof, Vice President and the first ever female Vice President of the land. Eko Yuki abanane ekwasa no ho yare kakra. Esanse na no ho dodo no ama yinyina etie na yem hyehyen ehyehyen esi ma sembia nto ye maame. In fact, okoye na manfo bono owuto we sorry osi na ne we sorry ase ya ama ye chi abrantie ba kokra wo ho okoda cells na nyame ya dom yen prof yen vice president abekensa e wo Ghana oba yen so sembebre na manfo bi eka san sika in and out ya say e wo jet no nko aho eye $120,000 US. And be say yampa no ye claims ni allegation amafo e making. Na ene ebro be landi ye no na fekeke o mampanyi John Dramani Mahama ene ne ho kani Lordina Mahama chief of staff ene staffers a ewo vice president the office ne mpanyefo kuku damum nyina kuhia na efe na akono keke na omoko Flagstaff House no asembisi Naana kasaye JDM omampanyin so kasaye mepese ye bekwa kotie ye ba wasembi kacho.
On behalf of the people of Ghana, we wish to warmly welcome our beloved Vice President back home. It has been a trying time for everybody, and a lot of prayers were said for your safe return. And so today is a special day that you have stepped back in the country, on the land of Ghana, hale and hearty, looking younger, looking cheerful. And we thank God for his mercies. Since you left, your colleagues, we've all missed you. We held the 120-day social contract program, and everybody said you should have been there. But with all the work you did before you went, we continued, and I think that we're able to present to the people of Ghana a significant percentage of the things that we had promised. But in all this, you were missed. Ghana is safe. Things are seem to be on the right track, and you've come at the right time to come and continue the work that you so beautifully started. And your colleagues were very happy to have you back. I particularly have missed you because even traveling out of the country has been difficult. They've threatened to impeach me for for going to Togo when you were away. So you're warmly welcome. We are grateful to all the staff outside there who looked after you. Our embassy staff in London. I came there myself, and you told me how courteous they had been and how they had been of help. But I think in all this, it raises the issues of us improving our health care so that we can handle emergencies like this. We built a quintennial hospital, which is the UGMC, but it's still not at the stage where it can handle some of these cases. And so it's a call to duty that we should implement it the way Professor Mills had intended it to be, so that in future things like this can be, emergencies like this can be handled, without us having to fly out. But we're happy to have you. The doctors say you are 20 years younger and that you are okay and fit for the job. But we'll ask that you take it easy for a little while, and afterwards we'll see how things go. So thank you very much on behalf of all our colleagues, on behalf of all Ghanaians. I'm sure today Ghanaians will be very happy.
I want to say thanks to God. His mercies have been infinite, as always, and I'm very grateful. I express gratitude to the medical staff too, for seeing the right thing, for making the right proposals. And to my boss, that day, I don't know where you appeared from, but he came and quickly set in motion what we needed to do. And I also want to thank all of you, your prayers, for your good wishes. I can't be thankful enough. I'm very grateful. But I need to isolate, beyond family and friends, your brother, Mr. Ibrahim. He stopped at nothing to ensure that I had what I needed. And then he also came to the hospital. He came to sit by me, and that was healing by itself. So, my little boss, I'm very, very grateful. So I'm very happy to be back. And there's so much that has happened that we all need to do. And I know that with our collective will, we'll do much more for our country.
Elti kakra ewo ho no na unim ye the pictures bi e ba begu ye friend say yemfa Google ne yenhwe elti pictures yi private jet ye mame Professor Jane Nana wode efi UK ebaye Vista Jet na obuwrem a set nie nya saketwa emu fe no me say hey jet yi nyoma wo mu nya saketwa jet no mu nyoma nya saketwa na ye behwe enoma ewo jet no meche features a ewo jet no emu yo features a ewo jet no mu no eni ewo 13 seat ekita bed makumako anase bed sempa makumako 8 ena esan wo ultra modern bathroom ye ka ultra modern a we abefunsa etese nya de edware wo abonten bi o ultra modern abefunsa no ankasa jet no mu no esan ewo high speed wifi na esa wotimi communicate wo social media se wotimi nya kokwa de amasa social media de wotimi ko ho wonya network de ai the test social media or share pictures and other videos. Sanso ene wo full service a kete ukọ gallery ho a you see microwave si ho nya sanketwa your high temperature oven ewo mu wow I said enema wom but ne nyine mo no we allegations amafo bi e putting up what I say eti Body TV ye de ne bedi echi na yahwe yema menso akwaba yema na kwaba o se Ibrahim Muhammad de otenso na osori papa na ama bibi ehia ne da ama bibi ehia edu bebi kura na otene nchen wo ne mpa woda so e hospital sa Ibrahim Muhammad no na misiri be hira no eti yema ma me akwaba prof be ye adwuma na so man kana ye bompa so se Nyankopon e be ma ho den de wetimi aye adwuma na waje ede ato ho so no tebusa yara se ye be show so subscribe ya na subscribe na like video no woja comment to comment section mu wi a ye nyina ye nhye ko social media platform so yara se